How much you can get by working in a tomato farm in Australia. The day starts at 8 a.m. and ends at 5:30 p.m. Here is the girl's job. They select the tomatoes and put them in a box of 10 kilograms. They remove the smashed tomatoes and choose tomatoes from the same size for each box. When the box reached 10 kilograms, they push the box and put a new one. When the box arrived to the stacker area, the boys have 7 different pallets of 7 different sizes of tomatoes. You have the simple task of putting the box in the correct pallet. When you have the pallet full, just need to grab the tape and put it all around the pallet. You can collect $213 per day with this job and take a bag of tomatoes home. Would you do it?